What's up, YouTube? So today I want to talk about the sell-off that happened. Right, we talked about it last night in the on YouTube and in the mentorship. I thought today would actually be green. We talked about this being a warning shot, but I thought they might try to drive them a little bit further up and then drop it on everybody. We got the drop today though. At the end of the day, we saw it bounce a little bit, and I don't think it's done. I know a lot of people are buying that really quick, and if tomorrow we are green, I expect, so this is the Qs, right? So QQQ /NQ if you're on TOS. And right now, first of all, I don't think we will. That will probably, as I'm recording this, I bet we close lower. If anything, tomorrow is going to be sideways and down, or if it is green, we're going to hit this upper zone. I think Monday continues to sell off. Like we talked about last night, I think we need a good solid couple days. Tech is just really up there. Now, when I said sell off, I didn't imagine the aggressiveness of today, which is why tomorrow I am swinging short. I am short Amazon. I do have an QQQ position, just like I talked about, and which both those are up quite a bit. I did grab some more Tesla shares. Now, Tesla I'm not going to sell as far as shares go. I did not short it though. Now I kind of pulled up the bar pattern, right, just like this. And we talked about seeing a sell-off like that, but we hit that zone in one day. I like this buy zone. I just don't like how we hit it in one day just like that. So I don't know if that's further sell side coming, or if we just wanted to get this pullback over with in one day. So that's what I'm going to keep an eye on. If tomorrow we're green, we don't get above that zone, probably going to hang short for a while. I don't know if Powell's going to come in and save the market again, or what. Maybe we get some stimulus news or what. But that's what I'm keeping an eye on right now. Getting above this, if we get above this zone, come back and kind of confirm it, maybe make a bull flag, I might like to play then. Let's check out Amazon. You guys see we pre-market we were down. I was watching this zone. Once that even broke here pre-market, you can see we had a green candle. We started to, and then just instantly red. We came back up, didn't even do anything. Once I saw the buyers ran out, that's when I got short. Now I actually covered a little bit here, which sucks. I ended up getting back in. So I left some money on the table just in that alone, even with options alone. For instance, I covered a little too quick. Could have made 7,500, ended up locking in 2,500. So that was fun. Now we bounced out of that bottom zone. Let's get that back up here. So we bounced out of that right at the end of the day. Everyone thinks that's the dip buy. We already gave it back after hours. So tomorrow, I'm going to watch this and see if we get a further break. Now, if that zone breaks again, you know, I actually really like it right down here for the dip buy. And that's where I will catch a knife regardless. That is a rain or shine event. I'm buying Amazon right there at that zone. Bullishness. We get and hold above 3,400, I'll think about it. That was a bright red day, so any kind of profit taking on the short side might bring us up just a bit. We already got that, so I don't even know about that. So tomorrow, it's Friday. I'm going to take it easy. I am still short Amazon and the Qs. If we sell off again tomorrow, I don't think we're flash crashing. We might do something like this. Like look, we sold off pretty similar. A little bit up, a little bit down. Again, I'm only looking to make a couple bucks on the short. I'm looking more for the dip buy. I just don't think this is it, and that's the purpose of this video. I don't think this is the dip buy. Could be wrong. It'd be very hard to tell on a Friday. So Tesla sold off and actually held this zone most of the day. Once I saw us going sideways, I actually added some more on, grabbed a couple more shares. No options contracts, just a couple shares, and that is also down pre-market. So tomorrow, or sorry, after hours. Tomorrow I'm going to watch this 380 area. I'm going to have my alerts set right here. Now I added on a couple shares here. I'll have my alerts here. I'm definitely adding on quite a bit more once we get to this bottom zone right here. And that's kind of my play there. I wouldn't be bullish until we actually got above this. And if tomorrow we're green and we stay inside here or underneath it, that's not a bullish sign for me yet. That's just shorts, covered some profits, which is buy side activity. So wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Yeah, let me know what you think. And how did you handle the aggressiveness of the sell-off? Were you already short? Did you get in short? Or did you try to emotionally fight it? If you did, and it's a pattern, that's something you actually do, try to recognize this and let go. These sell-offs, they can't happen. I talked about this, I think last night I was live for about 3 hours talking to everybody. Again, sorry about last night's mistake. If you're watching this as it gets uploaded, I invited YouTube to the mentorship. I shared the free chat, the Zoom link in the free Discord chat. I'm going to do that again tonight. Last night I had it capped at 100 users. I didn't know there even was that cap. So some of you guys couldn't get in right away. It's upgraded. It's fixed. So we're going to try that again tonight. If you catch this when it comes out, join the free Discord link down below, and I will see you on Zoom tonight.